Phi Islands, Thailand. This little archipelago is made up of 6 islands, each of which is known for its true beauty and offers a perfect beach vacation for nearly every taste. It takes 45 minutes by speedboat or 90 minutes by ferry from either Phuket or Krabi. The most famous islands in Thailand's Phi Phi Islands are Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Le, which include a total of 6 islands. While the populated Phi Phi Don Island gets a large number of tourists each year, the uninhabited Phi Phi Le retains its pristine beauty and vibrant aquatic life. Relaxing on Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Le, diving, shark watching tours, rock climbing, and taking a cooking class are some of the best things to do. The best time to visit is between November and April, when the temperature is colder and more comfortable. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. We hope you liked it. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about next videos. Goodbye.